Hello friends, I am Achal and welcome to my YouTube channel instituterank.com. So friends, today I'll tell you about the topic Group A Civil Services. Group A Civil Service. All the posts for which the UPSC exam is conducted are highly reputed and desirable, be it all Group Indian Service Group A or Group B post. Now, we'll talk in detail about Group A positions. Number 1 is Indian Foreign Service. IFS officer begin their training at Labasna and then move on to Foreign Service Institute located in New Delhi. It is one of the most popular Group A civil service. IFS officer handle the foreign affairs of India. Number second is Indian Audit and Account Service, that is IA and AS. IA and AS is one of the most popular Group A civil services. They begin their training at NAAA Shimla. Their cadre comes under Comptroller and Auditor General CAG. Number third is Indian Civil Account Service, ICAS. This cadre comes under the Group A civil service. They function under the Ministry of Finance. The head of this cadre is Comptroller General of Account. Number fourth is Indian Corporate Law Service, ICLS. This is Group A civil service that function under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The primary objective of this service is to govern the corporate sector in India. ICLS officer would be given extensive training on law and economics, finance and accounting. Number fifth is Indian Defence Account Service, that is IDAS. This cadre comes under the Ministry of Defence. IDAS cadre officers mainly serve the Border Roads Organization, Defence Research and Development of Organization and Ordnance Factories. Number 6 is Indian Defence Estate Service, that is IDES. The training of the officers from this cadre takes place at the National Institute of Defence Estate, which is located in New Delhi. Number 7th is Indian Information Service, that is IIS. This is Group A service which is responsible for managing the media wing of the Government of India. Officers from this cadre works in different media departments like DD, PIB, Air, etc. Then the next 8th number is Indian Ordnance Factories Service, that is IOFS. This is Group A civil service tasked with the responsibility of managing a large number of Indian ordnance factories which produce defense equipment, arms and ammunitions. Number 9th is Indian Communication Finance Service, that is ICFS. It comes under Group A civil service. It was earlier known as Indian Post and Telecommunication Account and Finance Service. The primary objective of this cadre is to provide accounting and financial service to Indian Post and Telecommunication Department. And the 10th is Indian Postal Service, that is IPOS. This service also comes under Group A civil service. IPOS officers are recruited as higher grade officer in Indian Post. This service is responsible for running the Indian Post. Number 11th is Indian Railway Account Service, that is IRAS. IRAS officers are responsible for maintaining and managing the finance and account of the Indian Railway. Number 12th is Indian Railway Personnel Service, that is IRPS. The initial training is initiated at Labasna and then they will receive further training at various institutes like National Academy of Direct Tax RCVP, Noronha Academy of Administration, Dr. Mari Channa Reddy Human Resource Development Institute. The primary responsibility of the officer from this cadre is to managing the behemoth human resource of Indian Railway. Number 13th is Indian Railway Traffic Service, that is IRTS. It comes under Group A civil service. IRTS cadre officer undergo training at Railway Staff College located at Vadodara and Indian Railway Institute of Transportation Management located in Lucknow. Their primary responsibility of revenue generation for Indian Railway. And the 14th is Indian Revenue Service, IRS. IRS undergo initial training at Labasna, further training at NADT, which is located at Nagpur, and National Academy of Customs, Excise and Narcotics located at Faridabad. IRS cadre function under the Ministry of Finance. And the next is Indian Trade Service, that is ITS. It is one of the Group A civil service. Recruited candidate undergo training at All Indian Institute of Foreign Trade located in New Delhi. This cadre comes under the Ministry of Commerce and is headed by Directorate General of Foreign Trade, DGFT. And the last is Railway Protection Force, that is RPF. The main objective of this cadre is to provide foolproof security to Indian Railways passenger and protect the property and assets of Indian Railway. RPF comes under the Ministry of Railway. RPF is a paramilitary force.